We do new homes, additions, remodels. We do interior remodels, kitchen remodels. We do commercial construction, tenant improvements. There's probably not anything in construction that we can't do for you today. My job is to make sure that everything ties together. And my job is to make sure that we deliver the quality that my company guarantees that you're going to get, and on time and on budget. And really, that's my fame right there. I started in the construction business working for my father at the age of about 14. I built the residence I'm living in now. I was involved in the cabinetry, the design of the cabinetry, every aspect of this home. What sets me apart from other construction companies is that I am a master builder. What is required to become a master builder is testing through the state of Oregon. Also, you have to have a resume from the building inspectors to support that you are worthy of it. I get to do what I want for a living every day. I get really excited about it. There's not a lot of people that can say they really enjoy their work every day, and I do. From design to completion, you'll be pleased with David Green Construction.